DocuTricks, the easiest way to manage and display product manuals in your Shopify store. DocuTricks simplifies how customers view your products online and helps reduce customer support inquiries by making manuals easily accessible. To add a manual to a product, navigate to the product page and click on the Add Manual icon. You'll now be redirected to the manual form. First, enter the title of the manual. Next, assign a manual image. You can select an image from your Shopify content library or upload one from your local device. If no image is selected, the default PDF image will automatically be assigned. Now choose either File or External URL. Only one option can be selected. If you choose File, select a manual from Shopify Files or upload one from your local device. If you choose External URL, enter a valid external link. Customers will be redirected to this URL when they click the manual on the storefront. Next, set the status. Toggle between active and inactive. Only manuals marked as active will be visible on the storefront. Once all required details are filled, click the Save button. Now, back on the product page, click the View icon. This will display all manuals assigned to the product. From here, you can edit, delete, or view individual manuals, and you can also add new manuals to the product. On the manual page, you can instantly see all associated manuals in a collapsible view. Click on the manual filter to display only products that have manuals assigned. Now, to make manuals visible on the storefront, navigate to Online Store Theme Edit Theme/Customize. To display manuals on the default product page, select the default product template. Click Add Section under the template and select Apps. Here, you'll find three blocks. The header block for search and download all manuals functionality. The list block to display manuals in a list view. The grid block to display manuals in a grid view. Select either the list view or grid view based on your preference. To display a collection of manuals for all products, select the page template and choose any page. Click Add Section, then select Apps. Again, you'll see three blocks. The header block for manual search functionality. The list block for list view display. The grid block for grid view display. Select either the list view or grid view. On the storefront, customers will now see manuals attached to the respective products on the default product page. They can search manuals by title, download individual manuals, or download all manuals at once. Customers can also view all manuals on the manual page, where products are rendered based on the selected collection. They can search manuals and products by title, download individual manuals, or download all manuals for a specific product. With DocuTricks, managing product documentation becomes simple, organized, and customer-friendly, all in one place.